The background fabric is cut into 1.5-inch strips. The first strips are salvage to salvage, therefore the vertical and horizontal rows in between the blocks. And then the second is an 11.5-inch width piece cut into 1.5-inch strips. This is the lattice for the block. You know you can get this quilt done in a day, so you just move right along. Okay, take your layer cake. Sort your layer cake into medium and dark, maybe a few light. You can cut about 6 at a time. You want to square these blocks up to 8 inches. So put 8 along the left side and trim off. That can be used for your outside border. Slide your ruler down 8 inches across the bottom, a little bit more for your border, and 1 cut through the middle. That is easy. How easy does it get? Okay, take those 11.5-inch length strips. You want to just put them in between the two. Mix them up. Take the lattice and take the triangle, flip it right sides together. Use a sew straight on your sewing machine so that you can have perfect 1/4-inch seams. So from top to bottom, use your stiletto to keep everything nice and straight. You're going to do all of your triangles exactly the same. Set the seam with triangle on the top, open, and press the seam toward the triangle. Clip them apart on the cutting gizmo. You now make a stack of triangles that are different than the first triangle. Flip them right sides together. Just assembly line sew down the second side, and then press right down through the middle, pressing the seams in opposite directions. Use glow line tape and a 9.5-inch square up ruler. Measure 1/2 inch from the diagonal line and place your glow line tape. Turn the ruler around, measure another 1/2 inch from the diagonal line, and just lay your tape down. It'll be about 1 inch in between. Cut off the tips of the glow line tape, and you're ready for squaring up. Center the glow line right along each side of the lattice. These are also going to be trimmed up again to 8. So trim on 2 sides, turn, put 8 on the outside edges, trim again, and you're done.